First hand goes like this. Second hand goes like this. You need to align this finger with that one. Like this. Put the two together and you can do the basic note like this. But when I make more interesting notes, you can do owl impressions and training. Basic owl impression is like this. But if you want to do Thomas, open the gap a little bit, shorten the hole, and you get in. Personally, if you now into the higher pitch note, you need to make the hand a bit smaller and a bigger gap. Sorry about that, try it again. Good, low pitch. You know the biggest gap in between the hands. No gap, so it's like that. But if you want to be really creative, you can do music with songs like this. And everyone thinks I can't do this, I can try it anyway.